Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I have a very big and fresh news or update about WhatsApp for yours. Okay, what do you think? What will be this update about on WhatsApp? Okay, let's describe this update on WhatsApp. Okay, first open your Play Store on your mobile and simple search for WhatsApp and you will get update option here instead of open buttons. Okay, just click on update. When update finishes on your mobile, just close this and open your WhatsApp application. Okay, here we have now options for updates. Click on this one. Okay, here we can see these updates. Okay, like see all. Okay, here we can to access to the latest information of these popular channels. Okay, just simple click on everything architectures. Okay, just click on this account. Okay, here we can see information all about this channel, like this video. Okay, also we can access to very fresh news and everything. Okay, just simple click on plus sign. Okay, now I will follow this account. Okay, also we can to follow more accounts and also we can to just click on click on Barcelona account. Okay, and just simple click on follow option. Okay, after following you will get information, all information, videos, okay, text and image of this account. Okay, like this. This is very good and very big update on WhatsApp. Okay, here we can select most active accounts. Okay, here we can select popular accounts and here we can find new accounts, new created, okay, new channel created on WhatsApp. Okay, and also we can update, we can follow these channels, and here we can select country. Okay, and also we can find new one, like I want to find what like USA. Okay, UNICEF USA, find it. Okay, and just now I can to follow this channel and I can access for information of this account. Okay friends, if this video was helpful or news for you, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.